Hi guys, running here with another bag repair program. We've got this beautiful Chanel, which I already removed the strap and chain. This bag had some problems, like all bag normally has, which, sorry about noise. These corners, after using a while, these corners get faded, and we need to paint it. And for painting, before I prepare the surface, deglaze it, use preparer. Last night I tried to find out what color we need. So if you see here, I couldn't find in night lights and different lights at home, so it was a bit darker, as you see, and I decided to do it in daytime and daylight. And I recommend, if you're gonna do this, definitely use daylight, sunlight, to find out what color is your leather and make that paint. So for this paint, last night I used dark blue and black, so this was the result. As you see, it's a bit dark, so this part is painted by me. It's not visible. There's no contrast. So I added a little bit white to my paint to make exactly the same. I don't know, I just guess sometimes what paint are in this paint of the leather. I just look and think, okay, it might be black, dark blue, little bit white. So I go ahead, try, and results is fine. As you can see here, result is okay. So what I'm gonna do is mixing this little by little. I don't use all the paint normally because I'm holding the camera. I have to be careful a little bit. The black came a lot, so now this one's got too much black. I have to add more blue. Alright, I made my paint. I mixed here and used my brush to put and rub to my leather. As you can see, the corners are completely painted. I will double check for any point if missed. And what I'm doing, I'm using brush to put the paint, but I don't want a thick layer of paint, so I take my sponge and a little bit rub it. And this sponge helps when your paint is not 100% similar to your leather paint. When you brush it, it makes very similar to the paint, because you just remove most of your paint, and leather paint and your paint will be mixed. So the place you paint, like here for example, in the corner, if you see, there is not a big difference here. and this one is looking like more live, but it's because of new paint, but this bag is quite old, so the paint looks like a little bit old. I will later on I will clean it up so they will be looking like the same. Trying to focus on the corner and edges. So sorry about focus. This mobile phones aren't very good for such a project. So here it is. Bag is finished, and we can send it to customer now. After using the finisher, I let it get dry and then I use the finisher, and I can send it to the customer now. Thanks for watching.